Assalamu alaikum grade 2. I'm your English teacher from Allied School. Today I'm going to start your next lecture of English Oxford. So open your book at page number 46, unit 7, lesson 4, sentences and writing. Make questions for these answers. Start each one. How do I? Here is example. For this answer, you scroll up by pressing the key with arrows on it. How do I scroll up? You have to make questions like this. You select something by pressing the big key in the middle. How do I select something? You turn it on by pushing the key at the top. How do I turn it on? You check the battery by looking at the charge sign. How do I check the battery? You check the signal by looking at the signal sign. How do I check the signal? Complete each sentence using on, off or up. When you scroll up, you press an arrow. When you turn on your mobile phone, you can make a call. When you get up in the morning, you put on your clothes. When you go to bed, you take off your clothes and you turn on the light. When you turn up the TV, you make it louder. Students, now in exercise C, look at the pictures used on the left right side of, under, at the back of and on the front to explain how to make a triplane. This is the method of making a triplane. For example, stick wing A on the left side of the plane, stick wing B on the right side of the plane and stick the tires under the plane. You have to make the sentences like this. This is your task. You write it by yourself. Grade 2, now open page number 47, unit 7, lesson 5, words. Choose 1 or 2 words for each picture. This is quite big, very big, enormous, quite tired, very tired, exhausted. Here are the words written. Very small, tinny and quite small. This is quite small, very small and tinny. Quite frightening, frightened, very frightened and terrified. Write on your book as I have written. In exercise B, if you can do it, it is a verb. If you can see it, it is a noun. Write noun or verb in this glossary. Example, key is a noun. Students, action words are called verbs. Words that show the action is done are called verbs. Write is a verb as it's an action. Finish is a verb. Photo is a noun. Talk is a verb and computer is a noun as it's the name of a machine. Now check the exercise D. Complete these sentences with the words in exercise B. You have to complete the sentences with the words from here. When you want to scroll up, you press the scroll key. When you finish, you stop. When you take a photo with a camera. When you ride an elephant, you sit on its back. You turn on a computer with on and off switch. When you talk to someone, you speak. Grade 2, now open your English grammar book at page number 46, unit number 17, mixed nouns. Here we will learn about proper noun, nouns and common nouns. These are the definitions. Words that can be used for any person, place or thing are called common nouns. Numbers of people, places or things are called nouns. In the list below, pick out the proper nouns. As I have told before, proper nouns are the special names. Write them with a capital letter in your notebook. School is a common noun. City, common noun. Girl, Annie is a proper noun. A will be capital. Paris, proper noun. Himalayas, H will be capital as it's a proper noun. Washington, W capital. Priscilla is a proper noun. Tarzan, proper noun. Lion, Elizabeth. Gerard, Harry. Hong Kong. John's Hospital. Monday, March and train. Students, now in group names. For example, skirt, gown, blouse, pant are called dresses. Read the list given below. In each set, add one more noun of your own and give the set the correct group name from the list. This is the list: vehicles, furniture, flowers, crockery, fruits, eats, people and animals. Mangoes, grapes, banana are fruits. We'll write here group name fruits. Biscuits, wafers, chocolate chip, eats. horses, dogs, elephants, animals, table, cot and bed, furniture, rose, pansy, jasmine, flowers, train, cars, buses, vehicles, cups, plates, spoons, crockery, girl, brother, sister, people. Copy these sentences in your notebook. Complete them by filling in the blanks of correct animal home from the list. There are more names than you will need. Birds live in a nest, snakes live in holes, horses are kept in stable, rabbits live in kennel, cows are kept in shed, and dogs live in den. Grade 2, now open page number 48. Give your own special names to the following. Write them in your notebook. School, allied school. School is a common noun and you have to make the special name. You will write the name of your school. Road, GT Road. City, Muridke. Teacher, you can write the name of any teacher of your own choice. Students, now in extended exercise, unscramble the following words to find names of people who help us. Use the hints to make a guess. He mends shoes is a cobbler. These are the jumble words. You have to arrange them. We go to him when we are sick. Doctor. He fixes our taps and water pipes. Plumber. He flies aeroplanes. Pilot. We buy things from him is a grocer.